I very like pizza. Hello, CCC language learners, especially my paid private Facebook group members. Welcome. So this video, you can watch this whole thing in my private Facebook group. You're just going to see half if it's on YouTube or at other platforms. And in my private Facebook group, I'm holding you accountable. I'm making sure I'm going to ask you, did you learn some English today? Or what did you learn this week? What is a phrase that you learned in English that you're not 100% sure how to use? Okay. And if you purchase 10 classes with me, in which I guarantee you, I've had several students tell me already, after 10 classes, they feel confident speaking English. They are not afraid. They're not afraid anymore. I did that. Like, that brings me so much joy. That brings me so much joy. And if you want to finally face your fears of making mistakes, especially when speaking English, either become my private student or join my private Facebook group. So in this video, we're going to go over the word like. How to talk about liking something. A lot of students, when I ask them a question about liking something or their family member, their friend, someone doesn't like something, they make certain mistakes, or even for themselves, they make mistakes. So I am going to share the screen with you guys so we can look at what you guys are making mistakes with and how you can get better. So let me make this bigger, because the purpose of these videos are for you to hear me speak or listen to me speak. Look at my mouth. Look at how I'm saying things. Mimic me. Mimic me. Okay? Try to copy the rhythm of my words, the position of my mouth, my lips, my tongue. Copy me. That's how you become a near native speaker. Copy native speakers or a near native speaker. But all that matters is that you're copying someone that is very good in the language you're learning. So here we go. So like, first thing, if I ask a student, do you like pizza or pasta? This is a very common question I ask students when you first have a class with me. And they say, I like pizza. Then they want to express to me that they really like it. But students usually say, I very like pizza. I very like pizza. Never say this again. We will never say, I very like pizza. And this is where direct translation is wrong. You're always going to translate from your language to English. However, it's never going to be a direct translation depending on what it is. As I said, there's another video I'm going to put out answering about grammar. How do I feel about it? My follow-up video. And I say 99.9% of the time, the direct translation is not going to be correct. So I want you to get this in your head. You're never going to say, what's wrong with this? You're never going to say, I very like pizza. Wrong. So how do we express that you like something a lot? There are a couple of ways that you can say this. So let me change it. Give you the green light of these things. So let's make it black first. So we have let's put like pizza again. What word What word can I put right here that is in the green? We have I really like pizza. I really like pizza. Okay, good. That's one way. Next one. Let's put a period. Oop, sorry. Next one. I like, you can say, I like pizza a lot. And usually students, even native speakers, get this wrong too. They put it as one word. It's actually two words. A lot. Okay. I like pizza a lot. I like pizza a lot. Next one. I, this is where you can use very. Okay. I like pizza very much. This is the only way you're going to use very to express something you like. You're never going to say, I very like something. Never. Get it in your head. Never again. Teacher Jasmine said, never. No, 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 no. Oh, do you like this? Yes, no, stop yourself. I really like pizza. I like pizza a lot. I like pizza very much. Okay. So now, what if you want to say, yeah, pizza, pasta? I don't want to say the word right away. But to express something that you don't like. So if someone asks you, so the key thing in this word is your friend. The word do is your friend because it helps you to answer a question. So now the negative of do is going to be for I. For I, oops, sorry. For I, for they, I don't. They don't. We don't. Okay. I don't, they don't, we don't like something. I don't like pizza or pasta. Okay. I don't like pizza or pasta. You're not going to say, so most students say, I didn't like, I didn't like pizza or pasta. So why is this wrong? Why is this wrong? Let's figure it out today. The reason why I didn't like pizza, when someone is asking you, do you like pizza? Do you means right now.